Hey everybody, welcome to Lemon's World. Today we're going to be talking about the Bad Decisions Racing 1948 Plymouth. I don't know what model this thing is. I'm sure you pre-war / very soon post-war car experts would know. It's a special deluxe. It's a Pleasantville touring sedan. I have no idea. In any case, this is the kind of car that we encourage in Lemons because we just think it's ridiculous to see stuff like this on the racetrack. Now, of course, those of you who are into speed might not think of this as one of your first choices. Well, here's a way to have your cake and eat it too. When this team first showed up, the car was stock. It had a flathead 6-cylinder, it was super slow, and sure enough, it went out and won the Index of Effluency, which is the grand prize of Lemons, because it ran and it beat a lot of cars that were faster. Was it fast? Not really, but it was consistent. Now here's the thing with the car like this. If you show up and you run it with a flathead, the Lemons judges are pretty much going to give you carte blanche going forward to modify it, because in our minds, what's the worst that can happen? You put in some powerful motor and better suspension and you are actually fast and you maybe even have a chance to win the race. Then a 1948 Plymouth wins the Lemons race. We think that's great. That's exactly what Bad Decisions did. They won the Index of Effluency with their flathead. They asked Lemons judges, hey, can we put a different motor in this? The judges said, of course you can. They went and got a supercharged 3800 V6 from some kind of Buick. They put in a T5 manual transmission, and suspension, I don't know. The team captain Mike has a big yard full of old Camaros and Chevy trucks and whatever else, and you know, the car like this is pretty simple. You just make it stiff and make it not roll as much, put some decent brakes on it, and it's actually going to be pretty quick. And that's what this car is. We saw this car in 2019 at the debut race at Heartland Park in Topeka, and it was just passing cars left and right. And it's a 48 Plymouth, and it looks awesome when it's doing it, so again, the judges aren't going to sweat you too hard. Of course, there's always a line to be drawn. If you show up with a Nissan GTR with 48 Plymouth body panels on it, the judges will catch that. But if you just use your own ingenuity and junkyard engineering to make something that looks cool and goes quick, that's the kind of thing we encourage.
Thanks for watching Lemon's World.
Don't forget to subscribe.